as far as the meme stocks go, this is just 1999, 2000 all again. We saw a biotech speculative frenzy, a small oil company speculative frenzy. We see these from time to time. But ultimately, if fundamentals don't come around, investors start to sell. Like, look what's happening to Dogecoin and Bitcoin. When they do start to go down, it becomes a race to get out of them just as quickly, if not faster, than a race to get into these stocks. So you could diamond hands AMC, you could diamond hand Clover to the moon, but ultimately you're playing with fire. I would not be the one who tries to squeeze every penny out of these trades. These are not investments. These are stocks that you borrow, you play with them, and you get out of them. That's what I see.